What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to How To Knots. Today I'm going to show you how to tie the slip knot, so let's go. There are actually two different ways to tie the slip knot, and the first is pretty simple. It starts by creating an overhand knot. Everyone knows that traditional pretzel type knot, just like this. But actually, we're going to tie it like this. We're going to take our tag end, we're going to go over, and we're going to come through. But when we pull through, we're going to pull a bite. And what I mean by that is I'm going to grab, pinch, and pull. And I'm not going to pull that full tag end through. Instead, I'm going to take this lead end on my left hand and I'm going to start to pull. Okay? And then that actually creates, on the other side here, if I push up here, there we go. Now we have the slip knot, which is a stopper knot. The other way to tie the slip knot may be even easier. We are going to take our line and we are going to make a loop. Then, with my tag end, I'm going to make another loop. Just like this. I'm going to take this loop, put it through this loop, and then pull with my left hand this standing end. Just like that, okay? And then I'm just going to push, and there we go. It all comes together. That is the other way to tie the slip knot.